Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the HP Pavilion Gaming 16 and what's inside of it. You know the drill. Remove all of the 8 Phillips head screws and pry your way around the bottom panel with a plastic tool or a guitar pick. Then you should be able to effortlessly lift the panel away of the chassis. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. Well, HP is clearly reusing the cooling solution we found on the AMD version of the Pavilion Gaming 15 from last year. It shares 2 heat pipes between the CPU and the GPU, which finally connect to a pretty long heatsink. Similarly to how Acer and Lenovo used to do back in the day, both fans are placed right next to each other. This laptop features 2 SODIMM slots that support 64 GB of DDR4 memory in total. Additionally, you can put an M.2 NVMe drive, as well as a 2.5-inch SATA device. As of the battery, you get a 52.5 Wh unit. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.